Okay, so we're going to compute now. So we will going to raise it. Okay, so we're going to compute for the estimated time as earliest start, earliest finish, latest start, and latest finish. So based here in the given value, we have code A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. So this is our activities, and the predecessor is this one. The estimated time for optimistic is this one, and most likely, then the pessimistic. Okay. So we have here ET for the estimated time. So the formula for that, we have A plus 4 times M plus B, and we're going to divide this one, divide by 6. Okay. Then next is we have ES. So as estimated or earliest start. So that is ES. The earliest start is we have ES plus ET, and then you're going to choose for the highest value. You would know later how why is it you're going to choose for the value. Then we have earliest finish, EF. Then we have that would be ES plus ET. So we're going to compute. We'll start computing. So the formula is we have A is 3, then we have plus the 4 times M, which is 5, and then plus B. B is F7. So B, that is F7. And this is plus. Then we're going to divide this one to 6. So we're going to round it off to a whole number. So that is 0. So that is 5. 5 gina siya. Round is off to a whole number, which is 5. Kaya kung di natin siya round off, the Excel compute it with a decimal. So we're going to autofill. Amo na ka namin sa Excel because you could use autofill automatic. Then next is the earliest start, ES. So ES plus ET. Then we're going to choose for the highest value. So di naton kwaon una ang aton ES. Here, we're going to get the first ES sa aton nga predecessor. Since if the gisundan niya mamata earliest start. Again, early ES is earliest start. Ano nga duration siya gasugod gid nga una. So since this is none, it would start at the beginning or it would start on the very first. So we are going to put there 0. None. I mean the very first. You have to start gid on the you're going to start it on the very start of the project. So it is 0. So since there is wala siya ginsundan, so it is 0. Then on C, okay? So diri naton i-apply ang aton nga formula ES plus ET. So here on the ES, we're going to compute it. So diri na ta sa C. Ang iyang nga predecessor is A. So we're going to go back sa A. And then we're going to add the ES and the ET of A. Get it? So again, we're going to get the ES of C. Then we're going to base it on the predecessor in A. So we're going to go back on A. So the A, ang ES, kag ang ET is 0 and 5. So we're going to add that one. 0 plus 5, so that is 5. So next is sa D. Ang D, ang yung predecessor is A also. So we'll go back to A. So that is 0 and 5. 0 plus 5, of course, 5 again. So next is we have the E. The E, yung predecessor niya is C. So let's go back to C. So ES is 5 and ET is 6. So 5 plus 6, so that is 11. So next is we have the F. F is you will going to go back to D. D is 5 and 10, so that is 15. Then we will have it. G is B. So B is, let's go back to B. That is 0 and 5. That is 5. And then here, hindi na natin ma-apply ang choose for the highest value because we have two predecessor. So first predecessor of H is E. So let's go back to E. E is 11 and 5. So that is 11 plus 5 is 16. Then may-ari pa si F. So what is F? Let's go back to F. So F is 15 plus 8. So 15 plus 8, so that is 23. 23. So that is 23. So you're going to choose for the highest value. So you have to choose for the 23. Then last is we have the task I. So go back to G. The G is 8 plus 5 plus 8. So that is 13. Okay. Then we will proceed to the earliest finish. So earliest finish is ET, ES plus ET. So equal sign. So ES plus ET. So just simply add it out of here. Okay. So let's proceed. Okay, we will proceed first with the latest finish. That is MF. So the formula is we have LF minus ET. Then you're going to choose for the lowest value. Then latest LS is latest start. So the formula is LF minus ET. So we will proceed first on the LF. Excuse me. So how to start with the LF? You're going to get for the highest value of EF. So the highest value or duration is 33. That would be the starting point of our LF. So that is 33. So next is the formula for LF is LF minus ET. So we're going to compute that one. LF minus, let's start with I, code I. So 33, which is LF minus the ET, which is 4. So 33 minus 4, that would be 29. So di natin ibutang 29. We're going to put that one based here on the predecessor sa I, which is G. So ibutan natin siya sa G ang 29. Okay, here is the G. Ibutan natin 29. Hello? So next is we have the H. So H is ginlaktawan siya kaya nag-proceed siya sa G. So we have to put here the 33 again. Dapat pasunod siya. Then we will have the G. Sorry, we have the H, which is the 33 LF. So again, so ang 29 gibutan natin siya sa G. So there is overlap. So we are going to put again the highest value, which is 33. So 33 minus ET, which is 10. 33 minus 10, that is 23. Di natin siya butang sa predecessor E and F. 23 E and F. So to be 23, 23. So next is we have the 29. 29 minus 8, that is 21. So di natin siya butang sa B. So we're going to put it here, 21. Okay, next is we have the 23. 23 minus 8, so that would be 15. So 15 din siya butang sa D. So here is our D. So we're going to put it here, the 15. The next is the other 23. 23 minus 5. 23 minus 5, that is 18. So, di natin siya ibutang sa C. Let's go back sa C. So, that is 18. Next is 15. 15 minus the ET, which is 10. That is 5. So, di natin siya ibutang sa A. So, put the 5 here. Okay. So next is we have the 18 minus 6. 18 minus 6 is 12. So dito na siya ibutang sa A gihapon. So comma 12. So in this one, you're going to choose for the lowest. So you're going to retain the 5. Hindi natin siya islan sa 12. So next is we have the 21. 21 minus 5. So that is 16. So 16. But the predecessor is none. So none. 5 is none. So wala na siya. That's the end. Okay, next is we have the latest latest start. So the latest start is LF minus ET. So equal sign RLF minus ET. Okay, so just simply autofill this one. So based here on our PERT, ang pinaka uh, latest latest finish is 33 weeks. Ang task nga pinaka dugay na matapos until 33 weeks. And ang pinaka earliest start is 0 weeks. Ang pinaka start gid and the latest finish, and we have 33. Latest start is 29. Okay. So the slack is we have that is LF minus EF, or you could have it LF minus ES. Okay, we will change here on to this one. Pasok ko lang. Okay, LF minus EF, LF minus EF. Okay. So, dapat kung gamito na imo duwang formula, it should be the same. Ang LF minus EF, ang output ng LF minus EF, and ang output ng LS and minus EF should be the same with each other. So, 5 minus 5, that is 0. And then, if you have LS minus, should be the same. So, dapat the same na sila nga duwa. The output will be same. Kung hindi sila the same, it means your computation is incorrect. So, based here on our computation, let's say A is the estimated time is 5, 5 weeks. It should start on the 0 and it would end on the 5th week. And wala, ang iyang slack is 0. It means that you must end on the 5th week. Hindi wala siya grace period. Dapat ma-finish siya on the time. Then we have here task B. The estimated time is 5 weeks and may ara siya slack na 16. So it means that you could pwede nimo ma-delay, pwede ka makapadugay-dugay sa imong task because you have a slack of 16 weeks. Hindi siya, it's not necessary or mandatory nga tapuson mo gid siya for 5 weeks because may ara siya nga slack period or grace period of 16 weeks. So our critical path here So, ano nga mga activities that have 0 slack? So, we have the A, then we have the D, then we have the F, and then the H. So, during this path or this activity would be uncritical. Dapat hindi siya ma-delay. Ang project manager should be aware na on these activities, schedule should be very strict. If you're going to finish it for 10 weeks, then you have to finish it for 10 weeks so that hindi ma-delay ang installation sa inyong system or the delivery of your system. So, we have here activity A or task A, D, F, and H. So that would be our discussion for this lesson. And if you have answers, if you have questions or clarifications, just message me on my messenger account. I will be posting also your activity for this week. So thank you and have a nice day, everyone.